Hello everyone, how are you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the HomePodOS 16.4. Everyone's talking about 16.4 iOS, everyone's talking about a lot of updates, but not HomePodOS. But your boy is here talking about HomePodOS 16.4 and what is new in this update, what all is coming up on this update. Let's talk about it and is it worth installing once it comes out? It is not yet out right now, but that doesn't mean we don't have a beta version. We do have a beta version which I have installed on my HomePod and I have been using it, and let me share my thoughts with it, and let me tell you guys that is it worth installing it on your HomePod or not. My name is Jay, you are watching Tech Hyped. If you are new here, consider hitting that subscribe button for more videos like these. Let's get right into this video without wasting any more time. Alright, so the number one thing that we are going to talk about is the hands-free feature. You know, the feature which is used by a lot of HomePod mini users because it was exclusive to HomePod mini until the new HomePod came. Feature is hands-free, which means if your AirDrop and Wi-Fi, all of those things are on, you can just go nearby your HomePod and when it will just take like 2-3 seconds and your music will be transferred automatically regardless of on which platform you're using. It will automatically transfer from your iPhone or your iPad, from your iPad or iPhone to your HomePod. So that feature is really buggy from the start, and I have a good news that finally on 16.4 I have noticed an error of 1 out of 10. That is a really great improvement because I used to have at least five times I used to get error while using this feature, and now the error thing is 1 out of 10. That is really amazing. Like, I'm getting just one error using the hands-free feature out of 10. That is a really amazing improvement in my opinion, and fingers crossed, hope so. This is not something by luck, and maybe some of you guys are still having that issue and hands-free is not working properly for some of you guys, but according to me it is working fine now, and you can install this update on your HomePod because it is amazing, by far one of the best and one of the most stable, because Siri also seemed to respond a bit more quickly. I know that's surprising because Siri sometimes take a lot of time while processing and still it ends up, I'm pretty sure I didn't get that. This thing, which is so irritating, like waiting for Siri to process the command and hearing this, that I'm not sure if I got that. Can you please repeat it again or something like this? It irritates me, and I know it irritates you guys too. So that seems to be resolved, and it listens most of the things that you say instantly, and the offline commands are also here. The offline commands, you can say few things like turning a volume down and things like that. If you have downloaded music on Apple Music, that works now, but still the offline commands does not work quite reliably in my opinion. Overall, the HomePod is something I don't think so you should think about a lot before updating. I say it always, but still it is good to watch one video of Tech Hype before updating any of your Apple device to the latest version of iOS, watchOS, HomePodOS or anything. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. My name is Jay and you are watching Tech Hype. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and be sure to subscribe to this channel because we are so close to 10k and I want to get to 10k as soon as we can.